what's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog, man. It's K510 Automotive Group, and today, man, we're making more progress on the E39. I was gonna say E36, but E39. So yeah, man. Right now we got the car jacked up. I gotta do my transmission mounts. Just wanna give you a little walk around the situation right now. All four wheels is off the ground. And then in the back, man, we got like a ton of parts, man. Talking about the whole back seat filled with parts. So basically today, we're gonna make the E39 roadworthy. And to do that, man, we gotta change the transmission mounts, rear control arms, front control arms. We got a power steering leak. I'm gonna change the hoses and the reservoirs. And just a little knick-knack stuff, man, that we gotta take care of, man. Like trunk shocks is bad. I got my pry bar holding it. I got those too. It's a long list of work to do to get the car roadworthy so I can actually be driving this car. And then shout out to my brother too, man, for letting me use his garage. You know, in Maryland, man, as soon as it get cold, you need to be inside of like a garage or something to work on your car, man. You can't work on it outside. Well, today is pretty good. Doesn't feel too cold, but nonetheless, man, let's get to work, man, and get this shit done, man. Enjoy the rest of the day. All right, guys, so the next step that we're on to right now is dropping the exhaust. I removed the connectors for the O2 sensors, and got the flange bolts removed. So now the next step is to drop this supporting bracket right here, support bracket, so we can drop the whole exhaust. So yeah, man, that's the next step. All right, guys, the exhaust is out. The next step is taking out the drive shaft. All right, guys, I finally got the drive shaft out, and this is why I'm replacing this. It's called a center bearing. It's supposed to sit on here on the rubber bushing and hold it and support the drive shaft as you drive. So when I was driving, this thing was bouncing up and down, slapping on the trans tunnel and all that. Also, I already replaced the flange on here, but this flange was rubbing and causing trouble, man. So we got this one replaced. Now we got to replace the center bearing, and this is our new one right here. This is the new one, so I'm gonna go ahead and replace this so I can drop this shaft back in. The way to replace this, you have to, there's a nut right here inside that you have to remove and replace it with. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I'll get back to y'all. All right, guys, just got the drive shaft back in. I'm going back in now with the exhaust. Just want to show you guys a little tip to get these center bearings off. Come on, I was fighting with it. This is my first time doing one, but the center bearing was stuck on the drive shaft. This is the center bearing. This is how it goes together. So I tried everything to get this thing off, man, but last thing I resort to is cutting it with a cutoff wheel and hammering it off with a pry bar. So yeah, thing was not fun at all, man. It's getting late. Was trying to do more progress on this car. I got front and rear control arms to do, a power steering reservoir, and little knickknacks to do, like my trunk struts and stuff like that. So yeah, man, I'm gonna see how much more I'm gonna go, and I'll cut this on back in a little bit. Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog, man. It's K510 Automotive Group, and it's the same video, different day. We're just doing more, making more progress on the E39. We also got the E60 in here, man. We did a fuel pumping. Just did a fuel pump in here on the E60. Man, shit, man. On the E39, man, we got the lower control arm We trying to finish up on. We did the transmission mounts and the drive shaft flange. That was successfully done, man.
Bitch.
So we just going back together with the E60.
Smell like nothing but fucking gas in here.
And yeah, with the E39, we're doing the lower thrust arm bushings. Oh, man, this thing was like vibrating violently. See, the bushings are worn. So just got one side down, got another side to do, but just want to check in with you guys and, you know, give y'all a little update. Just in case this video is finished, man, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. And thanks for all the new subscribers too. The channel has grown a lot, man. I think we had 319 now. So it's like 100 subscribers within like 2 months. So making big progress. Appreciate all the love and support, man.
But hold up.
What y'all say, man? Y'all fuck up my shit again, man.
Nah, man, I'm trying to tell you, like, my shit smell like gas now. So when you do this, make sure you don't have a full tank of gas. Man, so basically, one of the problems with the E60 was the fuel pump. When one goes bad, the sender goes bad. So you're gonna have to basically take that whole thing apart. It's right underneath the seat. And you're going to have to basically, you know what I'm saying, like fish that whole pump out from one side to the other. But before you do that, like put like a line or a rope on it, like a small, real thin rope or something to fish through to the other side. So when you're about to put your other new pump in, you basically could just go in there without no problems or without any flaws. But it took us a long time to get it through, and we had to use like a coat hanger just to like try to push it to one side to the other. So
yeah.
So we could like, you know, tie it to one side and bring it back to the other side.
That thing was a pain in the ass, man.
That shit was like,
definitely take that as a serious note, man, because
the worst.
You gotta transfer each pump from each side of the tank, and even to fish it through, it was a bitch to even get it through to the other side.
So one of the biggest things is that, you know what I'm saying, with one of the E60's problems is that like the fuel gauge will read a different, a different amount. And say for instance your tank is full, it's gonna say E or half tank or whatever whatever it stops at.
It's definitely a faulty reading, man.
Yeah, so if that's the problem, it's definitely your fuel pump. So you gotta change that out.
Yup. But yeah, man, that's just a little update, man. I mean, it's a little dark, but shit, man. We made a lot of progress. Still got a little more work to do. And you can see inside the car, man, it's a lot of packages and stuff. I've been trying to get through them, but you know, try to get through them, but it's only so much hours in the day.
And we have to do it with rum.
All night, I just want to show y'all the condition of these control arm bushings. Finally finished the whole job. Things were definitely going. You see how they play? See that? And now we're changing the heater valve. This is it right here. The heater valve on the E60 M54 motor. This is the old one. Yeah, now I ain't gonna show the rum, man. Kids don't drink, man. If you're watching this video, man, don't drink or smoke. Don't do drugs. Drugs are not cool for you.
If you a kid, you should be driving anyway.
Hey, man. I was driving at 11, so, you know what I mean? But, yeah, man. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe to the channel. And please, you know what I mean, continue showing love. Continue showing support. And the channel is growing, man. I really appreciate it. Make sure you follow me on IG, K510 Automotive Group.